Yes, this is literally a chain reaction. I upload one and I do the other one. Yes, I am so addicted to doing this for you guys. Only you guys and the people who watch, which my family as well. But yes, I literally just need views. That's all I want. Cause I did have an attempt before at being a YouTube channel. It was very bad. So if you could please like and subscribe, I would love that. Everyone says that just so they can get famous. I really need it, though. I'm actually not kidding. I don't need to use the box anymore. I don't even need a grabber. Cannon. Boom! That one is always the easiest. That one is always pretty easy. I'm still on Grassy Vertigo. I remember this one. This one gets hard. Oh, this one definitely gets hard. Oh my god. Oh, wow, no. That's Food Fantasy. Wait, guys, I'm back, and I keep having to pause this. I have money, I know, $93. I just can't buy anything. Where is it? Food Fantasy? Okay, oh, I got that part done. I have to go up to that guy and hit the button on the cannon! Oh my god. I can refer to real life things other than my fake YouTube channels. You guys say pixel games can't be difficult. Yes! Dun, 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 dun. This game is super difficult, but really fun. Oh, the floor space. Oh! That was really just my fault right there. See, it does nothing. It just goes back up. You guys, I know. Oh my gosh. That would just happen. I have 24 deaths this entire series so far. Go like that! And then you go like this. I don't want to risk it. Okay, this is a tough level. A tough level. Oh no! Dude, it would kill me. This is gonna break me. Spike bite! No! It does break through it! I thought it would hold it up. I thought it was holding up. I'm an idiot. Riley? What? Get out of here. Oh my god, I have to go back. I'm dying. Okay. Focus mode engaged. Just kidding. Focus mode isn't really that much needed for this one. It's not hard. It's just I was dumb at that moment. I didn't. Bye-bye, box. Come on, guys. Let's go. Now we go into this box. And you know what we do? Do that. Oh, no. Actually, I think in Grassy, it's one that it just keeps going up and you have to run. Oh, not Hush Kitty. Yes, Hush Kitty is very difficult for me. That's why I don't want to do it. This part is really difficult. You gotta do this 2 times. This is our game. That wasn't too difficult. I believe I have to go back doing that or do something different right now. Oh, maybe it's this dodging part. That's tough. Yeah, I need to go over here. You can't make that! Oh my guys, I literally am mad right now. I'm a bird and a cat. So begin fed up. I'm just saying random things to get myself not so mad about this game. God. Look at that! My wing is touching that. Oh my god, this might be the last one. This might be it, Hush Kitty. This might be the last one. Oh my god, are you kidding me? You're not kidding me. So mad. This might be it, guys. Okay. So I'm not going to go into commentary right now because I'm going to be focused all the way. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Why didn't do that? I'm gonna kill my iPad. Oh my god. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this. Said inappropriate. No one swear in there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next one. Please like and subscribe. Bye.